Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. Brush. I brush my teeth. Brush. I brush my teeth. Shower. I take a shower after exercise. Shower. I take a shower after exercise. Bathe. He bathes in warm water. Bathe. He bathes in warm water. Wash. He washes the dishes. Wash. He washes the dishes. Clean. He cleans the table after dinner. Clean. He cleans the table after dinner. Bake. I bake a cake for my friend. Bake. I bake a cake for my friend. Boil. I boil water for tea. Boil. I boil water for tea. Fry. I fry eggs for breakfast. Fry. I fry eggs for breakfast. Eat. He eats dinner late. Eat. He eats dinner late. Drink. I drink water during the day. Drink. I drink water during the day. Relax. I relax after a busy day. Relax. I relax after a busy day. Rest. I rest when I feel tired. Rest. I rest when I feel tired. Sit. He sits on the chair. Sit. He sits on the chair. Sleep. I sleep 8 hours a night. Sleep. I sleep 8 hours a night. Watch. I watch TV in the evening. Watch. I watch TV in the evening. Listen. I listen to music while working. Listen. I listen to music while working. Read. I read books in my free time. Read. I read books in my free time. Write. He writes in his notebook. Write. He writes in his notebook. Fold. I fold clothes after washing. Fold. I fold clothes after washing. Exercise. I exercise 3 times a week. Exercise. I exercise 3 times a week. Push. He pushes the box carefully. Push. He pushes the box carefully. Kick. I kick the ball hard. Kick. I kick the ball hard. Balance. I balance on one foot. Balance. I balance on one foot. Breathe. I breathe deeply to relax. Breathe. I breathe deeply to relax. Think. I thinks before speaking. Think. I thinks before speaking. Decide. I decide to study English. Decide. I decide to study English. Plan. I plan my day every morning. Plan. I plan my day every morning. Try. I try to learn new words. Try. I try to learn new words. Learn. I learned something new today. Learn. I learned something new today. Improve. He improves with practice. Improve. He improves with practice. Remember. I remember your name. Remember. I remember your name. Forget. He forgets names easily. Forget. He forgets names easily. Compare. I compare prices before buying. Compare. I compare prices before buying. Organize. I organize my desk every week. Organize. I organize my desk every week. Deposit. I deposit money in the bank. Deposit. I deposit money in the bank. Withdraw. I withdraw money every month. Withdraw. I withdraw money every month. Park. I park my car here. Park. I park my car here. Refuel. He refuels before driving. Refuel. He refuels before driving. Continue. He continues walking. Continue. He continues walking. Check. I check my email daily. Check. I check my email daily. Count. He counts from 1 to 10. Count. He counts from 1 to 10. Estimate. He estimates distance. Estimate. He estimates distance. Observe. He observes closely. Observe. He observes closely. Lose. He loses the game. Lose. He loses the game. Decorate. I decorate the room. Decorate. I decorate the room. Vacuum. I vacuum the carpet weekly. Vacuum. I vacuum the carpet weekly. Water plants. I water the plants every morning. Water plants. I water the plants every morning. Feed pets. I feed my dog twice a day. Feed pets. I feed my dog twice a day. Throw. I throw the ball. Throw. I throw the ball. Heat. I heat the food. Heat. I heat the food. Store. I store food in the fridge. Store. I store food in the fridge. Lock. Lock the front door before you leave. Lock. Lock the front door before you leave. Unlock. Use the key to unlock the front door. Unlock. Use the key to unlock the front door. Thank you for watching. Listen again and repeat to improve your English speaking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice every day.